Hello, welcome back to our tutorial. Last time I received a message from YouTube. My friend asked me what asset I use in my joystick tutorial. I use Sci-Fi heroes, so today I will introduce this asset to you. Now, let's import the asset. By the way, if you want more asset, you can check Dungeon Motion. You can see monsters, animals. You can change the part. You can change even the head, the weapon, the shield, and everything. Humans, orcs, elves. If you want more, just check. Okay. Now the asset was imported. Firstly, let's check animations. You can see there are a lot of animations. Uh, they are with nice build. Let's see. Okay, animations. Okay, let's hit play. Oh, really nice. Reload. Okay. And even with walk, I have walk back, walk left, walk right. So you can make your own games with all the animations. Really cool. And the author has also built animation controllers very nicely with it. And all the materials here, you can change all the colors. I will show you later. This is the meshes. Let's check meshes. I see it's the mesh is very nice, and the performance is also perfect. They also include the Maya source files, so you can change them easily. And he also provides a shader, lets you change the color of the art. So I will show you now. Let's see all together here. Oh, all together. Really nice with shotgun, snipers, and all another guns, and assassin rifle team. Oh, nice handgun. Okay, you can also check here. All the parts you can change them easily, and the color here. So, what I will show you is about how to change everything very easily. If I want to change the color, we can change them easily to combine whatever group you like. You can change it. Whoa, nice. So you can make A team, red team, B teams very easily, and you can even try the brightness and the smoothness. Oh, see, it's cool. And if you want to change the part of it, you can easily switch it to here, and you can body. Oh, see, it's very easy, and all the position was nicely set, so you can easily change everything. Okay, and then you can build your own animators reference from the OS. Okay, that's cool. Hope you like our tutorial, and we will bring more Unity interesting assets to you. Thank you for watching.